Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Umair. Welcome back to the Halal Foodie Zone. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Now in today's video, I'll be sharing one of my favorite recipes with you. Hash browns. Here are all the ingredients you need. You need 4 potatoes, onion powder, 1 teaspoon, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder, half a teaspoon, red crushed pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon. Now this is optional. Cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, half a teaspoon. All-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. Here we have half a cup cheese. Now you can go with a 1/4 cup cheese. We decided to go with half a cup just because I like my hash browns on the crispier side. Okay, we're going to start with shredding the potatoes. And our next step is to mix the shredded potatoes into the ice cold water. Alright, we want to mix the shredded potatoes with ice cold water, and then we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. We waited about 10 to 15 minutes. Our potatoes are ready. So we need something to drain the water. Alright, we want to make sure we get all the water out. On medium heat, pour some oil. Okay, we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes on medium heat. We're going to take it out in a bowl and let it rest for a few minutes until it's ready to be marinated. Okay, as you can see, our potatoes have cooled down. The next step is to mix all the ingredients. And the cheese. Just go ahead and mix well. Okay. Now the best way to mix the cheese and all the spices together is to use your hands. Now you can make it to whatever shape you like. Okay, next step is to fry these. They're done when they're golden brown from the other side. Alright, our hash browns are ready. So we got 2 shapes here. I personally like the round ones better. Oof, nice and hot. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss my next exciting video. I'm going to go back to enjoying this. You guys stay safe, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video. Allah Hafiz.